Oh my god. Well, it's been a long time since we did this, and I just want to say that we've been very successful doing this and stuff. So we're going to do it again, but instead of 10-year-old burps on a baby, we're going to do 12-year-old burps on a baby. So yes, make sure you like and subscribe, and enjoy.
Stop it. Alright, guys. Oh, wait a second. I need to get the camera on Damien. It's been a while since we did this. I haven't even did this in a while.
I'm going to do my baby voice today.
So,
my baby voice.
we are going to continue doing it, so
Okay.
we did it before when he was 7, now we're doing it again, so let's burp on him. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, then go to